So this is my family. And it's kind of become an end of year tradition to take a trip together. Manali, Ladakh, Sri Lanka and many more. So this time when I came back from college for the holidays, my mom asked me the question, should we go to the south? And I obviously said no. But when my mom hit me with
चलना है तो चलो नहीं तो घर पे बैठो.
I packed my bags and the trip officially began. Kirathileko Swagatam, which means welcome to Kerala. Hello, good morning. So yes, we are in Kerala. So welcome to Truvalem, just like the cool kids say. Also Merry Christmas to you guys. Today is Christmas Day, it may not look like it. An average person spends their day with a Christmas tree and a warm fire. But me and my family, trying to be different, decided to go to the edge of a country and we are going today to Kanyakumari. So I guess we should first get dressed up, right? So yeah, we had hit the road finally, and to be honest, I wasn't really excited about Kerala. I had just come back from Tamil Nadu, aka my college, and taking a U-turn back down was something I wasn't really looking forward to. Cause my general opinion of southern India was not great food and a major language barrier. But I only had to give this a shot to see if this trip could even change that. So we are at our first pit stop. How are you getting the vibes?
South Indian vibes. DM अच्छे हैं.
Yeah. And so what are your reviews on food I eat daily?
2.75 out of 5.
People eat waffles and pancakes on Christmas and we ate sambar and vada. अब अपना aura तो already had hit negative, but I guess we still had to see the lowest point. इतनी गर्मी हो रही है. UV index is 8. I can't see shit without this. See Big Daddy. This person. वैसे they call statue of wisdom, but हमारे ज्ञानी बच्चे कुछ बोलना चाहते.
फैमिली मैन सबने देखी होगी तो यू कांट बिकम नॉलेजेबल फ्रॉम अदर्स नॉलेज. यू कैन नहीं क्या था यू कैन बिकम नॉलेजेबल फ्रॉम अदर्स नॉलेज बट यू कांट बिकम वाइज फ्रॉम अदर्स विजडम. वैसे एक और कोट मैं बोलना चाहूँगा. रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है रेबल किड.
में खड़े खड़े 40 मिनट्स हो गए और ये देखो भाई सब गंजेड़ी बन चुके हैं. और यहाँ पर देखो लोग कैसे बैठे हुए हैं नीचे.
5 minutes later.
What's up my niggas? मुझे ये सब बोलना नहीं चाहिए, पिट जाऊंगा मैं. But today we are finally going to redeem ourselves and are going to eat waffles and pancakes. जो हमें कल खाना चाहिए था, but okay, wow, great. Let's go. Just look at the view over here. It is so good. How will you rate it?
10 on 10.
Your delivery partner.
Mr. B6000. ओह टोपी ले ली हमने. टैन हो रहे. आपकी क्या कहना है?
मेरी टोपी बेटर है.
Says nobody. अब इतना ठूसने के बाद someone had the bright idea of, oh, why not we go paragliding?
So they look a fool alive. 'Cause I wanna participate in the happy parade.
So I realized if you shake the phone like this, you reach Varkala. So hi guys, good morning. So while we wait for the camera to do its thing, yeah, we'll just wait. You can see that the view is pretty beautiful. Varkala is mostly beaches and this cliff I'm currently standing on. We came here yesterday night and also I'm on the cliff currently right now, which is just a bunch of restaurants. The food is pretty good. Life's pretty nice over here. What up?
कहाँ जा रहे हैं? 8 स्टेप चढ़ गए.
क्यों?
जटायु देखने. बड़ा किस पर जाओ?
How are you feeling? क्या?
What's up, guys? So like we have some. ये तो नीचे जा रहा है.
हाँ. Holy shit. We finally reached statue. Bye. माना जाता है कि while trying to save Sita ji from Ravan, Jatayu fell at this hill and was liberated by Ramji, who visited him in his last moments. Well, honoring his sacrifice, we continued our journey to somewhere quiet, Kerala's famous Shikara boats, to see the backwaters. Welcome to our chit-chatting show with Ansh Manchanda.
Hi guys, what's up?
What is backwater?
Water which is back.
जिस वाटर की बैक लग जाती है उसको बैक वाटर बोलते हैं.
हाँ? हे हे. Turn around.
Look at what you see.
कुछ भी करता रहता है बेब.
मार्केट. हाँ. Got it. The wait is over. We have finally got a good sunset over here. Look at this. How pretty is it looking?
There's dinner in the yard, out behind the cars. Tonight we're gonna do something different.
It's 4:50 a.m. right now, and you know कि मैं कभी इतना जल्दी उठता नहीं हूँ unless there's something to do. And yes, we are going to a peak right now. A jeep is supposed to pick us up. And look, we are standing in the middle of the road. There is no one here. We are just waiting for a jeep to come. There are legit stars in the sky right now. So once our jeep arrived, it was quite a ride. We had to go through the forest, through trees, grass, and it was low-key an early morning off-roading session. And the funny part is, once we arrived, it wasn't the end. हमारी crazy ride थी. अंश पीछे बैठा था ऐसा, और मम्मा भी पीछे बैठी थी.
राइड थी.
ऐसा लग रहा था वॉशिंग मशीन में बैठा दी. We still had a 1 kilometer uphill walk to the sunrise spot. Yeah, this is the part the clip cuts because I fell down this rock. हमारा कुक्कड़ बन चुका है यहाँ पर. 16 डिग्रीज हो रहे हैं एंड इट इज़ वेरी वेरी कोल्ड. हम सिर्फ मैंने सिर्फ एक हुडी और एक टी शर्ट पहन के आ गया. यहाँ पर बैठे हैं सब शॉल लेकर. चिन्नू मुन्नू हाय. So I had always believed that the real mountain views were found only in North India. And I had never imagined that I would be waking up so early just to be standing above the clouds waiting for the sun to rise. In none other than Kerala. And to be honest, the footage doesn't do any justice to whatever we saw here. As the light of the sun shined over the hill, the nature came to life, and everywhere one looked was just a scene worth painting. And it was then that I realized that I was amidst the majestic western ghats of the country, which were not only rich in spices, but also in fauna.
अभी एरवा किल्लम नेशनल पार्क आया है कुछ देखने के लिए. वी होप कुछ ना कुछ तो दिख ही रहेगा पंछियों के अलावा. ठीक है, चलो आपको भी दिखाते साथ.
अभी हम हमारी स्कूल बस के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं, जो बहुत बड़ी लाइन है जिसके लिए.
1 hour later.
जिंदगी सवार दो, एक नई बहार दो, दुनिया ही बदल दो, मैं तो प्यारा सा चमत्कार हूँ.
Oh God, it's so good.
बस से उतरते ठूसने लग गए. पंजाबी ब्रो. लाइन में खड़े. ये भाई साहब भी लाइन में खड़े. भाई साहब कर. तो वहाँ पर और मस्ती चल रही है इनकी. सब खाने कॉफी पी रहे हैं. नीचे आ गए. अंश, how did you like the national park?
It was nice only, but I thought कि ज़्यादा एनिमल्स दिखेंगे, but एक ही मिला.
Legit just saw one animal. वो नील गाय थी. It बंदरों जैसे है वो. They are not shy of us. So there we were, back on the road to our last destination for the day. But first, our trip without Maggie is incomplete. How was it? Well, what was left was the sunset, and we were running late. We were literally chasing the sun and the stakes were high. between witnessing the best view possible or losing it all to the darkness. Sun's gone down, but it still looks pretty great. We have just come to see the sunset at the Lockhart viewpoint. Look at how magical does this look. You may agree that it kind of feels good every time you see that golden light in the evening. Everywhere you looked, you could see lush green tea gardens shimmering with the final rays of light. As people say, nothing beautiful lasts forever. It was time for us also to go back. And man, what a trip it was. I got to say I really enjoyed it. Initially, I was very skeptical about coming to the south, mainly because of the language barrier. But as all things do, this one too turned out pretty great. And unexpectedly, everyone spoke Hindi. I got to say it was a great adventure. Special thanks to Mama for making this plan, and also I have realized that sometimes coming out of your comfort zone can be great. Well, I guess this is the end of it. As all great things come to an end, this one also has to. Bye.
Got a little crush on you.
ये कब की है?
अभी की है.
चार्ज हो रहा था उसका 5 को.